Coming to you with a shout out to Miss Pretty 4018. And why am I doing a shout out to Miss Pretty 4018? Because I just received yesterday in my Saturday mail these absolutely fabulous sunglasses from Retro City that I won in her Retro City sunglasses giveaway. Woohoo! Aren't they pretty? Kind of shocked though, because I was like, wow, these are like out there kind of shades, but they are awesome, and I'm glad that I got them, and I can't wait to wear them out. Anyhow, again, I just wanted to give my shout out to Miss Pretty, and to thank her for the Retro City giveaway, and for me winning these absolutely fabulous shades. Hopefully you can all see that. Fabulous. Absolutely pretty. And I'm also going to tell you all about my little mini haul, kind of slash things that I just kind of collected within the last few days, also in this video. And one of the things that I like to do, and when I go purchase things, is I like to stock up on some of my makeup, because sometimes colors get discontinued, or they stop selling them, or you know, that type of thing always happens. And I don't like to run out of my favorite colors, because sometimes they're hard to replace. And I'm sure you all have been there before. So anyhow, I'll just start off with what I hit up at the Dollar Tree. I got me another one of those Color Juicy lip glosses in Shimmy Pop. Everybody has them. And I got this one because, like, again, I have one already that actually I have on, as you can see that. And I thought I would have another one just so I can have it on stock, because I do not like not running out. And because, well, I like lip glosses. And this was, like, really hard to find, because, you know, like when you go to Dollar Tree, they have all those things that are, like, on the displays that they have your stuff stacked up against, like that. And this was, like, really on the bottom of the pile of things that were on the bottom shelf of stuff. And I searched and searched and found that there. And so I was like, mine! I'm getting this, and I'm going to keep it for me. So then, again, I'm at the Dollar Tree, and I found this e.l.f. Brightening Eye Color Palette, and it's in Butternut. I thought that was really, really pretty. I like those browns. Those are really, really pretty. This is the first time I'm going to actually try e.l.f. eyeshadows. I use their primers and other items and their brushes that I also love a great deal. But this is going to be the first time I'm trying their e.l.f. eyeshadow products. Oh, wait, I do have an eyeshadow palette. I forgot. I forgot about that. Yeah, I do. Take that back. Anyway, I'm looking forward to trying this out. And again, like I said, I'm trying to keep some stuff on supply. And I got me another Southern Belle by LA Colors, or Southern Bella. Love this palette. I really, really do. I especially love the purple in this. It's so pretty. Anyhow, I also got this other palette by LA Colors. It's a Boardwalk. And I also love the orange in this palette because it's so pretty. And this is what actually, this is the color orange that I used in Miss Bama Girl's subscriber giveaway package deal that I won. And this is the color that I used in that palette to win that contest. So that was really great. And then I also hit up Walgreens. And, you know, they have a lot of palettes out right now, like those baked palettes and stuff. And I was checking them out, and I really wasn't, like, into the colors. But I saw this one that I did like, which, this is the palettes that I have not tried or used yet. I have not used any Wet n Wild products. This is actually my first Wet n Wild palette that I purchased, and I'm going to actually try and see if I like their palettes, because I have not tried them yet. And this one I got in Petal Pusher. I love these colors. I really, really do. They're like purple, pinks, and oh, they have some a little bit like, looks like browny, pinky, bronzy colors. I don't know. It's a really beautiful palette. I haven't tried it yet. I'm looking forward to playing with these colors and want to see what I can create with this. But again, this is a really, really pretty palette, and this is something that I got today, and so I thought I would share that with you guys too. What I also like about this is that it actually tells you brow, eyelid, crease, definer. I really like that. And oh wow, their little applicator actually has like a little shadow brush too. And even if for those who are makeuply challenged, it even gives you directions in the back on how to apply these things. If you cannot read the front of it to tell you what it is, it has a back that tells you instructions on how to apply these eyeshadows to your lid and to get the look that you wish to create. I thought that was really great. I mean, a lot of people who are beginning to learn to put makeup on, this is like really interesting way to find out how, an easy way to have like a little cheat sheet. So anyway, I thought that was really cute. Okay, my big buy is something that I've been wanting for a while, and it's all over the YT. It is, but this is my first time ever having this product for myself, and I was really loving the idea of having it, and I tried it out today, and I've been working with it, and I love it, and I'm looking forward to trying more and more creations with it. Look at y'all. I got me the Urban Decay Naked. First time ever. Love it. It is so pretty. Oh my god, it's like velvet out here. Look, velvet. I don't know if you can see that. I wish you could feel it, but this is velvet, y'all. Velvet. Love it. And it's such a pretty way to display it on your makeup table. Or I have mine actually behind me on a wall displayed. And it's got such... I was like totally like trying some of the colors out. So you can see as I was touching it. But it's got really pretty shades. So I'm really looking forward to trying and using this out and creating some neutral and natural looking things going on. And maybe some daytime, because it's got some of the... got like some grays and some steel colors, but these browns are so pretty. I mean, really, they really are. So I'm really looking forward to trying this. And it came with this, I'm sure you know, it comes with this eyeshadow brush, which has a little bit of weight to it, and it's really nice to work with these, with this makeup palette. Okay, I would have been mad. But anyway, so like I was saying, it has its own little makeup eyeshadow brush with it, which is really great. And it also came with oh wow, what did I do with it? Well, it came with a little mini Urban Decay eye potion, a little mini one. This is the larger one. I can't remember what I did with the mini one. I think I put it in my makeup bag for traveling. I think it's in here. Let me make sure. Oh yeah, here it is. Here you go. As you can see, this is what the full size of the Urban Decay potion, eye primer potion, looks like. And here is the mini version of it. And let me put them back side to side so you can see it out. There you go. See? Side by side. Little bottle, half of it. Anyway, I thought I'd just carry this like in my eye makeup bag when I'm traveling. That way I don't have to be afraid of losing my full size. Anyway, again, this is just a little shout out to Miss Pretty 4018 and to thank her for the Retro City sunglasses that I won in her Retro City giveaway. And I picked the right number, which is that was the contest. And this was just like a little mini haul, just showing you what I got in the last couple of days. And I just want to say thank you, Miss Pretty, and thank you, YT, for everything. You guys have been fabulous. Talk to you later. Bye.